Today I will show you how to shift your stocks from Robinhood to SoFi Investment.
First, ensure you have a SoFi Invest account matching your Robinhood account type, typically a taxable account. From the SoFi Invest homepage, tap your active investing account. Click Add Cash to access funding options. In the From section, select Transfer or Rollover instead of your bank account. SoFi will display your account title, account number, and brokerage clearing number. Verify these details. You'll need your Robinhood account number, which you can find by scrolling to the bottom of your profile page. Complete the remaining steps to initiate the transfer process. Remember that Robinhood charges up to $75 for outgoing transfers, so factor this into your decision. The transfer process typically takes several business days to complete. During this time, avoid making trades on either platform to prevent complications with your holdings. I've created additional content covering transfers to various brokerages that I'll link below. This direct transfer method maintains your investment positions without selling, preserving your cost basis and avoiding immediate tax implications.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.